This is how to reset your tyre pressure warning light. The red exclamation in the middle of the dash. This is on your Mini. This is a Countryman diesel auto, but pretty much all the same if they're this type of setup. You get the big old message with the tyre pressure warning and the tyre pressure loss light. So we're going to be using the iDrivey thing, joystick, and reading what it says on the dash, which is fairly simple. Get the light right so it's not bouncing off everywhere. There we go. Right, so we've got a thing here, OK init, which I think is, you'll find is initialize, and then the menu thing at the bottom. So we're going to use the iDrive, turn it anti-clockwise, you see, and it'll tell you all the messages. You carry on down, it shows you the rest of the message. But if we go to init, there, doesn't mean init, confirm tyre pressures. So first thing you've got to do obviously is check all the tyre pressures, which we've done on this. So from init, press the iDrive button down, setting initialize tyre pressure, press the OK button, activating, and that's it. Up there, got the monitor on, showing 4 greens, all good to go. So we'll start up. And message has gone from the dash. It's quite happy with that. If we click back, with no message up here, so that's everything initialized and everything reset. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.